have reached. This is beautiful. Good evening friends. Today we, Omlan Dash and me, are going to Borthir Bill, a short ride to a place which suddenly got very popular after the lockdown and restrictions. As people are not able to go for faraway places, such local destinations have become very popular. It's around 50 kilometers from my place. You can check its direction and time for travel from Google Maps very easily. The route that we will take is EM Bypass, Airport, Birati to Kollani Expressway. Then through Neelganj Hart and Barberia we will reach Borthir Bill. We cross Birati and going towards Kollani Expressway. This road is very slippery after the rain. We are on Kollani Expressway now. These lovely water bodies by its sides makes things very soothing. Some local fishermen selling their afternoon catch. কত করে?
160 টাকা কিলো।
These roads are not smooth, but these meandering roads are covered with so much of fresh greenery. These are jute sticks, which are the remains after the jute is extracted and is used as fuel by the locals. So we have reached. This is beautiful. This is our final destination. It is Borthir Bill. It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow, fantastic. I don't think it should be safe to move beyond this point with a motorcycle. While most tourist destinations have had to bear the brunt of coronavirus pandemic, this small Bengal village has become a hotspot for day trippers. From nature lovers to photographers and couples looking from the ideal location for a pre-wedding shoot or to spend some quality time, Borthir Bill on the outskirts of Kolkata have suddenly surfaced a destination of choice for those suffocating in the city and amid lockdown. Borthir Bill, a vast wetland surrounded by farmlands in North 24 Parganas between Barashat and Barakpur, has seen a huge influx of visitors in recent days. And this is visible on Instagram and Facebook, where #Borthir Bill photos have created a huge buzz with everything from portfolio shoots to vlogs. There is no dearth of photos of women and children posing with bundles of shapla, that is water lily, boatmen rowing at dusk, bikers cutting through stacks of jute sticks bundles. Located in Barberia village in the historic area of Neelganj, the area has always had a large swaths of farmlands, but it garnered wider attention after a photographer shared some stunning photos on Facebook. Also detailed how to reach the spot. The locals, mostly farmers, spend their time here collecting and selling shapla and catching fish in the wetland during the monsoon season. In winter, when the water recedes from the adjoining fields, they show paddy and onion. However, this year, the lockdown has opened a new avenue for them. They are now doing some business by giving rides to the visitors here. Interestingly, along with the lockdown, another adversity also helped the villagers here. The heavy rainfall due to cyclone Amphan in May brought in some water, helping the flowers to bloom for a longer period of time. With travel restrictions still in place, the picturesque location, so near Kolkata, became an ideal getaway for the holiday crowd. এদিকটা কোন দিকে যাবে? এবার আমি মনে হচ্ছে পড়ে যাবো।
এখানে একজন বসো, এখানে ওইদিকে মুখ করে বসো।
To get to the main water body, one must cross the stacks of patkathi, that is jute sticks, along the path wide enough for only two-wheelers. The water body is mostly used by locals for retting their jute.
হ্যাঁ, চলে যাও।
These small country boats will take you for a ride if you wish. You should take this boat ride right from the middle of the lake. Bortir Bil is about 10 kilometers, if not more. We are now going inside the lake. These small boats need a bit of balancing that is quite fun. The ride will not cost you much. It's about 50 to 100 per head. The price depends on its demand. তোমার নাম কি? এখানেই থাকো?
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, বাহ, খুব ভালো লাগলো। দাঁড়াও দিচ্ছি।
ঠিক আছে।
The best time to come is in the afternoon, after some heavy showers, so that the vegetation gets greener and there is some good amount of water in the lake. You can start after lunch and get here, spend an evening, and get back home by evening with some fresh air and renewed energy. As we get back home, it's getting darker gradually, but we are returning with fresh energy for ourselves. Please try to visit this location and let us know how did you feel about this place. Please do like the video and share, and of course subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications. Till we meet again, take care and bye.